This is Dhananjay. Last class we learned how to create a function and what is a function and what are the different advantages of functions and types of functions. Okay. Now let's see function arguments in different ways, like call by value, call by reference, default value. Either there are many more ways. So how can you call that? Okay. Let's see. And one more thing, examples for each in a simple way for each and every thing. Every different ways we'll see an example also. Okay, so here we can pass the information in a PHP function through an arguments which is separated by commas. Okay, so here, so separated by comma, right? So PHP supports, so there are three different ways. One is call by value, this is the default one. Next one is call by reference, and third one is default argument value. Okay, let's see one example to pass a single argument in a PHP function. Okay, so here for this I am opening one notepad. So for a single argument in PHP function, so now whatever I created earlier, now I am removing this and I take a new notepad and with a new program, that is function. Consider a say hello dollar name I am passing here, and now for this I am closing my curly braces, and now for this echo hello name, we have to pass here name, so it displays name. Okay, now so here we created that, but where is the value we have to pass? Okay, for that call the name, function name, say hello, and then names. For example, like TCS, and then copy the same thing with multiple times and change the names Wipro. Okay, next CTS, next one we have plenty of companies like Just Dial. Okay, now save the program and run this. So here argument, right? So I'll take like fun function argument dot php. Okay, day 11 only I am saving. Now execute the program with the file name called function erg.php. Okay, so hello TCS, hello Wipro, hello CTS, and hello Just Dial. So like that the values will be displayed. So if I want to get like one by one pattern, then here in your code there you have to use BR. If you place BR, what happens? It automatically refresh. If you click refresh, then automatically it will displays in one by one pattern. Okay, so in the same way, so for this one arguments passing, so we'll see another example which it pass two arguments in PHP function. So let's take another example, or else directly I can place here itself. So I'm using BR now. So for this I have to use echo, right? Or else I can take BR. Yeah, simple. I can take BR now. Now after that, this BR is HTML part, and whenever if you are specifying question mark PHP, question mark greater than symbol, that comes under PHP part. So insert another PHP, and now here take another function say by. Okay, or you can take like a display name. Okay, I will take a function open and close, and now here we have to use like echo statement, right? Echo hello, then here you have to pass an arguments in a function, right? So dollar name comma dollar age. Okay, now for this we have to write, we have to print a name, right? So hello dollar name comma you are age. Okay, you are dollar age years old. Okay, now closing double quotation and semicolon, and then echo is ended. Now echo is completed, and now we have to call a function to display the values. So now what is the function I created? Display name, and for this display name, what is the first variable that is taken? Name, right? So I am taking first variable, that is Danu, and I am closing this with 28 age. Okay, now in the same way I will call like different three different names. Okay, 27 26. Okay, Danu, Dana, Dharma. Okay, now I call like this, and finally close this PHP closing tag. Now that's ended. Now save this program and run this. So it is displaying error, right? At line 16 it is displaying error. So function name we have to use function, right? So that's it, and that's perfect. Now yes, it displayed. So here we just inserted one variable, that is name, and another variable, that is age. These two variables are inserted inside the function as a parameters. And now for printing the values, then I used echo statements, like as normal variable printing. Just I called a dollar name like that, and by calling a function, in the function itself I am passing value externally. Okay, so if you pass a name, then automatically it matches and it will print first record and then continue second, third record, like that. Okay, I think this concept is understand, right? I'll go for next concept, that is we'll see another, that is default argument value. Okay, so default argument value, here we can specify a default argument value in a function. So while calling PHP function, if you don't specify any argument, it will take the default argument. Okay, so it's simple. So here we already passed information here in function, right? So but if I want to pass a value like in a function itself, here then this comes under default argument value. So now I'll take an example part. So I'll take break br. So remember guys, so this is whenever if I am using in a single program, if I am placing one PHP, this is PHP code, right? If I am placing only br, then it comes under HTML part. Okay, if I am placing another PHP code like this by using less than question mark PHP and then statements and then question mark greater than, like that, if it is also belongs to the same program with a different code. Okay, now here what I am doing means, in a single page, in a single PHP file, I am writing multiple PHP codes. Okay, you can also do like this, or you can cut this code and you can paste it on another new notepad and save it with another name. It also work. Okay, so just now in a theoretical itself, I just now I given information like so you can place a function in anywhere, right? A function anywhere in any number of times. Okay, so like that you can create a different functions in a single page also. It's not a problem. Okay, I'll take default argument value. I'll run this program here itself, and let's see question mark PHP and then function, right? Function functi1 function, save by now for this function, open and close just curly braces, and then here we have to use echo statement, right? Echo hello, and before that we have to pass an argument, right? So here dollar name equal to Dana. Okay, dollar name equal to Dana. Okay, now here specifying a hello dollar name and br. So there itself I given a value, right? So that is the thing. Now call the function say by what's the name you have to give? Another name Rajesh Khanna. Okay, and now call the function say by, that is here passing the no values. Okay, so here passing no value, for easy understanding purpose I am writing a comment there. Okay, and pass another value like I can have like Ramu. Okay, there ends the program. Now here whenever I am typing, like here I am selected, right? This is one code which it is related to default argument value. Okay, now save this program and execute this. Now hello Rajesh Khanna, and then hello Dana, and then hello Ram, right? So you got a value, right? So first, so here if I place a value, if I place value here, then it takes first, okay, then it will print. After that it will check function name default value, then it will print, and remaining part it will print, like that. So this is called default, okay, argument value. Okay, now let's see another concept, that is called PHP call by reference. So here you can have like a value passed to the function doesn't modify actual value by default. Okay, so that's a call by value. So but we can do so by passing a value as a reference. Okay, so by default value passed to the function is called by value. To pass a value as a reference, you need to use ampersand symbol before the argument names. Okay, so by default value passed to the function is called by value. To pass the value as a reference, you need to use ampersand symbol before the argument name. Okay, so let's see a simple example by call by reference in PHP. Okay, so let's take another example. Now I am closing this program. I am taking new notepad. Don't get confused, guys. Now question mark PHP, and then I am taking function address, function address. Now here I am taking echo statement. Before that just I want to pass I want to create one variable, right? So str2, okay, str2 dot equal to call by reference, okay. And now here dollar str equal to hello, okay. And now here address, function name, right? Address shift str, okay. And now echo dollar str, okay. Now here I want to pass a call by reference, right? So for reference ampersand symbol we have to use, right? So ampersand What's the variable you taken? $str2, right? str2. So here in str2 you can have like call by reference as a value, right? So in a normal variable str I taken like a hello. Okay, so what is the output you will get? Any guess? A simple hello call by reference. You will get hello call by reference. Now I am saving this program with the function, I mean with the function with the file name called function ref.php, reference, right? And now execute the program with the function reference.php. Now it displays hello call by reference. So why I am using here dot? So dot indicates appending, I mean concatenate, right? It concatenates a string with this one. Okay, in str you can have like a hello, and here in str2 you can have like a call by reference. Now you are printing hello value and then you will printing a call by reference value. Okay, so this is called a PHP call by reference. I will see another concept called returning value. Okay, functions can also return a values to the part of a program from where it is called. Okay, so here the return function, I mean a return keyword that is used to return a value back to the part of the program, okay, from where it is called. Okay, so now for this also you can have like another example. I'll display that which it returns a simple example which it returns a values. Okay, so that's a cube value. Okay, I'll give another example. I'll take another example here. Now I take a new notepad. Now for this I am removing entire things. Now I am placing $n. Okay, placing $n, and then here in this statement $n equal to, okay, $n into $n into $n. Okay, so I am returning this expression like I am printing now echo cube of 3 is dot okay, cube is a function. There we have to pass value. Now I want to change the function name, right, as a cube. Okay, now it completes the program. Now save this cube.php. Now run this program with the file name cube.php. So cube of 3 is 27, right? So this is how it returns the value